Bound angle pose.
Bound angle benefits the following muscles: lower back, feet and ankles, hamstrings, hips, hips external, knees, pelvic.
Start seated with your legs stretched out in front of you. Bend your knees and pull your heels towards your groin. Drop your knees out to the sides and press the soles of your feet together. Hold the outside of your feet like you're holding a book. Inhale, get tall. Exhale, bend forward with a straight spine and release your torso towards the floor. Firm the shoulder blades against the back. Reground your hips into the mat. Relax your neck. Stay here in the pose for 5 full breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, sit upright, lift your knees away from the floor, and extend the legs back to their original position.